Good day, children. Sai Ram. Today, I'm not going to teach you any new lesson. As you are aware that you are going to have your first semester online exams starting from 8th of October. The portion and timetable has been already given to you. From New Voices, lessons are lesson number 3, the sweet smell, lesson number 5, the greedy dog, lesson number 7, the new shawl, and poem number 6, we are going to the zoo. Questions will be asked from New Voices textbook activity as well as the notes which are given to you. Okay. So, here I am going to give you some revision on that. In this video, I am going to tell you which type of questions you are going to get and how you all are going to solve it. The question you will be getting in the form of multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. Like how it was for the first unit test. You will be getting questions and in answers you will be getting choices. You will be reading the questions properly and then click on the one correct answer. You will be getting this form of questions and you have to click on the right options. Okay, you don't have to type anything, just you have to click on the correct options. Two answers will be given, from that which is the correct answer you have to click. Okay, so let us start. See Roman first A. I'll read the head question. Listen carefully. Choose the correct frame sentence for the following from the given options. Again I am repeating. Choose the correct frame sentence for the following from the given options. The first word is hungry. So here two answers are given. From these two answers you have to put a tick on the correct answer. Now hungry, you have to frame sentence on hungry. Now see here, I was happy after coming from school. See the two sentences. Second one, I was hungry after coming from school. Now see in the sentence, hungry word is there. Which sentence hungry word is there? Okay, both sentence framing is right, but you have to frame sentence on the word hungry. So you have to see in which sentence the word hungry is there, and that sentence you have to click. So first one is I was happy after coming from school. Second one is I was hungry after coming from school. Now which sentence has got hungry word? Yes, on the second sentence. See, second sentence you are going to click. So I was hungry after coming from school. So in this sentence hungry word is there. Okay. So click on I was hungry after coming from school. Just click. Next one. Number 2, over. You have to frame sentence on over. There was a bridge over the river. Other sentence. There was a bridge under the river. Frame sentence on over. So which sentence has got over word? That sentence is correct. So there was a bridge over the river. There was a bridge under the river. So which sentence is right? Yes, first one. So click on first. Okay. The bridge. There was a bridge over the river. Third one. Piece. I ate a piece of cake yesterday. Next one. I ate full cake yesterday. So which sentence is right? First one or the second one? Yes, first one, because that word piece is there in that sentence. I ate a piece of cake yesterday. So click on the first sentence. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Number 4. Sweet. Frame sentence on sweet. First sentence is honey is very salty. Next one, honey is very sweet. So which is the correct sentence? Honey is very salty or honey is sweet? Yes, honey is very sweet. So second sentence, click. Click on the second sentence. Next one, number 5, flowers. Frame sentence on flowers. I saw many flowers in the garden. Next one, I saw many trees in the garden. So, which is the correct sentence? I saw many flowers in the garden. I saw many trees in the garden. We have to frame sentence on flowers. So, which sentence is correct? First one or the second one? Yes, the first one. I saw many flowers in the garden. So, click on first sentence. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Number 6. Word is new. We have to frame sentence on new. My father bought me an old bag. Second one. My father bought me a new bag. So, we have to frame sentence on new. So, which is the correct sentence for new? First one or the second one? Yes, the second one. My father bought me a new bag. So, click on the second sentence. Okay, my father bought me a new bag. Number 7, plenty. We have to frame sentence on plenty. We should drink plenty of water. Second sentence, we should drink less water. So, which is the correct sentence? We should drink plenty of water or we should drink less water. Frame sentence on plenty. So, which sentence is correct? First sentence or the second one? Yes, the first one. We should drink plenty of water. Okay. Next question. Now, we are going to go to the next B question. Okay. B. Choose the correct past tense for the given words. So, again I am repeating the head question. Choose the correct past tense for the given words. So, the word is given. We have to choose the correct past tense for that word. Okay. 2 answers are given. Which is the correct answer? That answer you have to put a tick. Okay. See first one, catch. What is the past tense of catch? Is it caught or is it catching? Caught or catching? Yes, it will be caught. So put a tick on caught. So catch past tense is caught. Okay. Number 2, look. Past tense of look is looking or looked. Looking or looked. Past tense of look is, yes, it is looked. So click on looked. Click on looked. So first one is catch. Past tense is caught. Look. Past tense is looked. Move to the next question. Third one, take. You have to choose the correct past tense for take. We'll read the options. Took and taken. First one is took, other one is taken. So, which is the correct past tense for take? Yes, it is took. So, take, took. Past tense of take is took. Number 4, think. Past tense of think is thinks or thought. Thinks or thought. What is the past tense of think? Yes, it is thought. So, click on thought. Next, number 5. What is the word? Cook. So you have to choose the correct past tense for cook. First we will read the options. Cook. First one is cooked and second one is cooks. We have to find the past tense for cook. So options are given. First one is cooked and second one is cooks. So which is the correct past tense for cook? Yes, it is cooked. Cooked. Okay. So third one, take past tense is took. Number 4, think past tense is thought. Number 5, cook past tense is cooked. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Number 6. The word is check. So find the past tense for check from the given option. I'll read the options. Checking and checked. Checking, checked. So we have to find a option for past tense for check. So what is the past tense for check? Yes, checked. So click on checked. Click on checked. Number 7. Word is help. Find the past tense for help. 2 options. First one is helps. Second one is helped. So which is the correct past tense for help? Yes, it will be helped. Past tense for help is helped. Number 8. Word is live. Find the past tense for live. 2 options are there. Lived and lives. Lived and lives. So which is the correct answer for past tense for live? Yes, it is lived. Lived. Okay, live, lived. So number 6, check past tense is checked. Number 7, help, helped. Number 8, live, lived. Okay, we move to the next question. Next question is, I'll read the head question. Choose the correct animal sound from the given options. See question. I'll read the head question again. Choose the correct animal sound from the given options. So children, you have to read the questions properly and then you have to choose the correct answer for that questions. Read, understand, take. Shall we start? So we have to find the correct animal sound from the given option. Sound of monkeys, chatter or roar? Chatter or roar? Yes, we chatter. So monkeys chatter. Monkeys chatter. Okay. Number 2, crows moo or caw? Crows moo or caw? Yes, crows caw. Crows caw. Monkeys chatter. Monkeys chatter. Crows caw. Crows caw. Next one. Number 3. Goats bleat or bark? Goats bleat or bark? Do goats bark? No, they bleat. So click on bleat. Goats bleat. Goats bleat. Next one, number 4. Lions grunt or roar? Lions grunt or roar? Come on, tell. Lions grunt? No, then lions roar. Click on roar. Lions roar. Lions roar. Next, number 5. Bees. Bees buzz or moo? Bees buzz or moo? Yes, bees buzz. So click on buzz. Bees buzz. Okay. Number 3. Goats bleat. Goats bleat Number 4, lions roar. Lions roar. Number 5, bees buzz. Bees buzz. Next one. Number 6, dogs. Dogs bark or buzz. Dogs bark or buzz. Do dogs buzz? Then they bark. So click on bark. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. Number 7, pigs. Pigs mew or grunt. Pigs mew or grunt. Yes, tell the answer. Yes, pigs grunt. Pigs grunt. And number 8 is ducks. Ducks mew or quack. Ducks mew or quack. Come on, tell me. Yes, ducks quack. Ducks quack. Okay. Number 6 is dogs. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. Number 7, pigs grunt. Pigs grunt. Number 8, ducks quack. Ducks quack. So children, we will end our today's revision here and meet in the next period. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.